Hey there, investors! Selling your XRP on Kraken is simpler than you might think. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Ready? Let's go. First things first, log into your Kraken account. Make sure your account is already funded with XRP. If not, you'll need to deposit some XRP into your Kraken wallet. Next, head over to the trade section. You'll want to select New Order from there. Now, this is where the magic happens. Choose the trading pair for XRP. For example, you might want to sell your XRP for USD or EUR. Just pick the currency you want to trade it for. After that, decide on the type of order you wish to place. You can go with a market order, which executes immediately at the current market price. Or you can choose a limit order, which lets you set the price you want to sell at. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to sell. Double-check all the details. Everything looks good? Great! Click Sell XRP to execute the trade. Once the transaction is complete, you can withdraw your funds from Kraken. Just navigate to the funding section, select the currency you traded for, and follow the prompts to withdraw. And there you have it. Selling XRP on Kraken made easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.